Say hey, y'all.
Hi.
Say it's Michelle
That's
and
my-
Monkey
That's Michelle and Monkey.
from Monkey's Creations.
From Monkey's Creation.
Come in and say hi.
Come in and say hi.
We're going to make a wreath.
We're gonna make a wreath.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
So Monkey, I promised him that we would make a wreath together when I got back from TDR. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to get y'all pulled up so I can see your comments.
I can't hear myself.
You're not supposed to be able to hear yourself, silly.
No talking.
No, we don't want to hear. It was nice meeting you too.
What?
All right, so what we're going to do is, this wreath is already listed on my website. So if you want to purchase it, it is already available. Just it's under live with today's date. So live 10/18/20. So we're going to be using the large flower board. You're going to tell them?
Yeah.
With the Let It Snow Santa.
A chocolate Reese's ball.
He said it looks like a chocolate Reese's, y'all.
No, look. It actually does look like a Reese's.
I know, except I've got a cable mount in there because that's how we're going to attach it to our board. And then we're going to be using this red full jute mesh as our sunflower. You're going to show it? Well, he's going to show it like that. All right, good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Yes, we have Pikachu here. So he's going to be my assistant. He's already helped me load our board. So we're going to go ahead and bring y'all down and start working on our petals. Good morning, y'all. All right. Pikachu. All right, so I have cut these 10 by 10. So I always, when I'm doing these, keep my serged edge right here at the upper left-hand corner. Okay, Monkey, you ready? You got to pay attention. Look what I'm doing because you're going to do the next one. You're going to take this corner and scrunch it all the way to this corner. Okay?
Okay. Can you show me how to do it again?
Yep, you're going to watch me first. Okay?
Okay.
See, look right here. Look right here. See, we're going to scrunch and then scrunch all the way to this corner.
Okay.
Okay? Then we're going to flip it up. Look. We're going to flip it up just like that. And we're going to put it in the zip tie.
Okay.
Okay? Now you want to, can you pull this really tight?
Like this?
Yep, pull it really, really tight. Good morning,
Oh, it
y'all.
unzips.
It won't unzip. Oh, it did unzip. Oh, we must not have put it in there. Okay, pull the little tab. There you go. Pull it really tight. Grandma will help you. Pull tight. No, you pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Where's your muscles? Okay. We did it, y'all.
It looks like a bow tie.
It does kind of, huh?
I'll do the next one.
Okay. We're gonna do it curved side down. Okay, now you're going to take this corner. Okay, now look, you're going to turn it down. Look, watch me. Turn it down. Okay, and now use your little fingers and pull it to you. Get your other hand in here. Good job. Okay, let go. All right, then we're going to flip it up. Just like that.
Oops. I actually fell.
Okay, come on. You're going to have to be still if you want to do this. Okay, now we're going to put it right in there. Now, can you pull the little tab? Can you pull it tight? Pull it tight. Really, where's them muscles? Grandma will help you. Okay, we did it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do another.
I'll do it.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Let me get it where it needs to go. Hold on, let go. There we go. Okay, start right here. Now look. Okay, now scrunch all the way to the other corner. There we go. You did it.
You actually scratched me right here
I scratched you?
with your nails.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm stepping on one of these, and it's soft.
Can you pull that? Can you use your Pikachu muscles?
Pikachu!
Oh, you didn't. Pull it tight.
Okay.
Good morning, yo. Can you get it? Okay, let Grandma help you. There we go. Thank y'all for floating our boat. All right, we're gonna do it again. Now look, I want both hands. Get up on your knees. Get up on your knees. All right, give me both hands. Okay, now bring it to you, just like that. There you go. He did it, yo. He is a great helper.
And I won Grandma the Wreath battle. You won the Wreath battle.
I did win the wreath battle. Okay, we're gonna do another one.
I'll get this one.
Okay,
I know
hold on.
how to
We
do
gotta
this.
turn it down. Okay, now look. No. You gotta turn this piece down. Look what I'm doing. Okay, now walk your fingers forward. Both hands. There you go. You did it. Hey. Okay, then we're bringing them both together to make sure they're kind of even at the top. Okay. There we go. Okay, we're going to keep going. Can we keep going?
Yeah.
Oh, well, hold on. I'll let you grab the next piece. I already have one here.
I didn't know.
Okay, come on. Bring me your hands. Hold on. Turn this edge down. Okay, scrunch. Walkie. Walk your fingers. There you go.
Hi, it's cooking my head.
Oh. I was squishing his head, y'all. Hello. We've got a little helper today.
Hi. Can we give them a comment?
I know, a new partner.
I want to give them a new comment.
Nope, they're watching us. Grab another piece of mesh.
I'm going to go. It's it.
No, you're going to ruin the tower. Go from the top. Pick a piece from the top. He's ruining the tower of mesh, y'all.
Then I'll all fall down.
Right? All right. Come on. Where's your fingers? Give me your fingers.
Scrunch,
There. Oh,
scrunch,
good job.
scrunch,
Scrunchy.
scrunch, scrunch.
Good job.
I'll get this one.
Oh. Come on. You got to pay attention. You're moving everything around.
They're all stuck.
I told you.
I can't get them stuck. And now it looks like a mountain of bricks. Look, see?
Okay. Ready? Get your, hold on. Get your fingers inside mine. Okay, ready? Now scrunch.
Scrunch.
Okay. Now I usually save the inside pieces you know, the inside of the roll where it gets really, really curved. When I'm talking, don't interrupt. And when it gets really, really curled for the inside, because when you lay that on the mesh, it'll kind of flatten itself out. So if you want to kind of remember that, that will help a lot.
Let's get the mesh on the last corner. Here.
All right. Come on, get. Hold on. Okay, you ready? Walkie, 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 walkie. Good job. I got it. Hello, hello. No, we're not making a Pokemon wreath. I'm just got a Pokemon with me.
Why did you say you were making a Pokemon?
She asked if we were making a Pokemon wreath.
Why would you use me?
Your two would be bored already.
Why would you use me for a Pokemon wreath? Why would you use me
Mom.
for a Pokemon wreath?
You're not listening.
I was thinking for you.
Okay, up on your knees. Hold on, hold on. Let me get this first. Okay, now walkie, walkie, walkie. Good job. I know. Are you going to take over my business one day?
Yeah.
You going to make wreaths for all the customers?
Yeah, and I'm gonna serve. And I'm gonna, if customers buy a lot, I'm gonna get the free packages every day.
Oh my goodness, he gonna give y'all free packages every day, y'all.
If they buy a lot.
Oh, you have to buy a lot though.
Get free packages.
Y'all will get free packages. These are, yeah, all cut 10 by 10. Okay, get your hands in here.
And probably I'll make a Pokemon wreath someday.
You're gonna make a Pokemon wreath? Walkie, walkie, walkie.
Walkie, walkie, walkie.
Good job. Well, welcome.
Then it's gonna be called Jackson Creations.
Oh, he's gonna change the name, y'all, to Jackson's Creations. What the heck?
You're gonna have your own TV show too.
Oh, I'm gonna have my own TV show?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you on my show.
Oh, I'm gonna be on his show, y'all. I'm gonna be a guest on his show.
And you're gonna probably help me make 2 Pokemon wreaths.
Oh, really?
And you can make 14 of these, 14 of that. You make 14 of those, and then I'll let you have your old name back.
Oh, okay. Hold on. You're dropping all the mesh.
I don't know why. It keeps on popping its in on me.
Hello, hello.
Wait, hi.
Y'all, he has been asking to come live with me for a while.
For like 2 days.
It's been longer than 2 days.
Like 14 days.
Probably longer than that.
1,700 days.
Oh, oh, that jumped up real quick. Did you give up on me?
No.
Okay, grab another piece of mesh.
Okay. I'll do it this one by myself. I think I know how to do this.
Oh, you think you know now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll see what you can do. Okay, nope, you gotta flip it. Okay, now scrunch from that corner all the way to that corner. Good job, y'all. He almost did it.
I already did it.
We're just gonna make the scrunches a little bit smaller.
Sorry.
Just, no, don't be sorry. See? See how that looks?
Mm-hmm.
Just make the scrunches a little bit smaller. Hello, hello. He does look, well, he actually Looks a lot like his daddy, but acts like his mama.
And she throws me, and I bounce on her.
She throws you.
Yeah, she throws me on her bed, and then I hit the wall.
Oh, yes. He always, at night when he's here, I always have to body slam him in bed because he wants me to body slam him. Sometimes he bounces and hits his head on the wall. I think that only happened once.
Mm-hmm. And when I got a rock stuck in my ear.
You did get a rock in your ear. He put a rock in his ear, so we had to get it out. Okay, now flip it upside down. There you go. Curl side down. We're going to start, look, listen, watch. Start at this corner, scrunch, real small. Nope. Hold on, let Grandma help you. We'll get it started. Okay, now walk, see? Small walks, not big walks. Just like that.
Grandpa takes big walks.
Yeah.
I like what you made with those.
Hmm?
I like what you made with those.
You do?
How'd you make this?
I didn't make those. I bought those. Grandma doesn't paint. Not well, anyway.
I know what to paint.
Ah, yes, you're an awesome painter. Okay, so we're going to take...
I can paint
Well,
this.
I don't know where my zip tie gun is. You entertain them for a minute. Talk to everybody.
Hi, my name's Jackson. And sometimes we do kid lives. And then, after our kid lives, we draw paint.
Yeah?
We made paint and draw. And Play-Doh.
Woohoo! All right, we're going to come back down.
Okay.
And we're going to cut all these zip ties.
That scares me.
It scares you. Why?
Because of the noise.
Is it loud?
Yeah. What is that called?
Is it snowing? It is it. Ooh, girl, not here. We're still in the high 80s.
Yeah, maybe in her place it's snowing.
Maybe it's cold where she's at?
And
You think?
And it's snowing.
Oh, you sold your first angel wreath? Okay, let's do the next row. Grab a piece of mesh.
Mesh. Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let's get the small one going. Hold on. Move your fingers. Let's get this one going. Okay, now walkie, small walks. Small walks. There we go. You did it. You're 60 in South Carolina? Don't flash everybody. Grab a piece of mesh. He's 5. How old are you?
5.
When are you going to be 6?
February 11th.
Yes.
Everything's stuck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
You're in Idaho?
16, 17, 18, 19.
Yeah, yesterday he was counting his in Spanish and he said, uno, dos, tres, taco.
No, it's chip. Uno, dos, chip.
Huh?
I said uno, dos, chip.
Uno, dos.
Uno, dos, two.
Your daughter's is the 10th?
Uno, dos, two.
Oh, come on.
February 11th.
February 11th.
Uno, dos, dos. Uno, dos. Are we about to be done?
We are. Are you going to grab me another piece of mesh?
Okay. Here you go. Ah, it's stuck. Here. That's my favorite tree I like to climb.
You like to climb that tree?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, I do like to climb that tree. I used to climb that tree. I climbed that tree. I like climbing that tree.
No, I don't heat seal jute or fabric mesh. I'm just careful with it and just cut off the frays. So see how those curly ends, if you're going to use them toward the inside so it can lay on top of that and kind of straighten them out on its own.
To the bathroom.
Come this way, please. It's okay.
I didn't know I was stepping wrong.
Okay, go in the other bathroom, not this one. He is. He is. Oh, let me grab these pieces he dropped. Okay. He'll be back soon. Oh, who's mad? Don't be mad. Yeah, B&A, I think I got like 4 messages from you. I'll get it. I'll get back to you. I see them everywhere. Yesterday was family day. It's my daughter's birthday. So hello, hello. Are you coming back, Monk? Oh, where'd he go? He's coming back, y'all. See how much I can get done. Okay. He's got them everywhere. Good morning, y'all. What are y'all doing today? We may be almost done by the time he gets back. There he is. Come on back, star of the show. You'll grab a piece of mesh and get it ready.
Here.
Oh, hold on, let's cut these off. We're already done with that row, y'all. Put this one in, since I've already got it going. Today is relaxation day.
No, it's not.
What happened there, y'all? Hold on. Let's fix that. The gummy worms made you sick.
I'm about to puke. I'm about to puke.
Well, don't do that on camera. No. Let's refix this one. sure what happened. It must have snipped and I didn't catch it, y'all. Good morning, good morning. All right, we got that one back in. There we go. Okay. Nope. One more. And then we're back on track, y'all. There we go.
And that.
Well, we're going to do this row after we get all of them in. Okay. We're going to do another one.
I'll put this one right on the table so we don't forget that one.
Okay. Are you going to help me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Turn down. And then small walkies. Small walkies. There you go.
Use my other hand if your other hand's in the way. Pinch, pinch.
Pinchy, pinchy, pinch.
Ow!
You were going to start long. Oh.
Ow. Pinchy, pinchy, pinch. Sorry.
Yeah, usually if I'm making these, I will lay them out overnight under something flat, but we did this one in a hurry, so that's why we're using it on the inside to help, because it'll stick to the mesh under it, and it will help leave it flat.
Yeah.
Okay, small walkies, small. Now, you see, you got to hold it. There you go. Small, small, small. Good job. He did it, y'all. Woohoo!
It looks like a bow tie again.
It does look like a bow tie.
All of them look like a bow tie. How many more of these?
Are you tired already?
Yeah.
Are you giving up on me, or you want to hand me the mesh?
Here.
Okay.
I'll just hand you the mesh.
Okay, and then Grandma will do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hello. Here.
Hold on.
I know. Why doesn't Uncle Johnny know?
Because he got his own place.
With his friends?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, some of his friends don't usually come here.
Nope.
Uncle Johnny doesn't.
My
come.
apprentice, yes. He says he's going to take over my business and name it Jackson's Creations, y'all.
And then if you guys buy some more, I'll give you free. And when Grandma grows 24, I'll give her. I'll give her a name back.
When I turn 24, you'll give me my name back?
Mm-hmm.
What if I'm already past 24?
Please. I snapped on that a long time ago. Okay, what about when? What? How many more numbers can you be?
I can be a lot of numbers.
Like 74?
Grandma's almost 52.
Okay, I'll give you your name back at 52.
Oh, you'll give me my name back at 52? So that's just 2 more weeks.
Yeah.
And then we can call it Monkey's Creations again?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'll do Jackson's Creation, and then you'll have to help me make one Pikachu wreath, and we'll do a lot of kids stuff videos like making cookies.
Do you want to have your own channel?
Uh-huh.
A monkey channel?
Mhm.
Oh, he wants his own channel, y'all.
I didn't-
Y'all better watch out. He's up and coming.
I think I know how to make my own channel.
Oh, you think you do?
Yeah, I just went on Snapchat.
You went on Snapchat?
No.
What? I think we need to have a talk.
I didn't go on Snapchat.
I
You
didn't
don't even
think
know-
so.
You didn't even know I downloaded it.
Says you're 70. Right? I'll keep that number too.
I don't download stuff. I don't download it because my mom took away my account.
Yep, you took away your account.
No, I didn't. My mom did.
Because he ran up over a $500 bill on a game by accident. He didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah, I don't.
So
I don't know games that much, Grandma.
So he got his Wi-Fi taken away in his account.
Wi-Fi. I still have my Wi-Fi.
All right, hand me another piece of mesh.
Almost done.
Almost. We got 4 more pieces, Monk. 4 more pieces.
Need 2 more pieces.
Can we do it? You're gonna fall now.
Need 2 more pieces.
No.
What?
We got 4 more pieces.
What?
I know. He's so awesome. Now, this one's not a kit. I mean, if you guys are interested in this kit, I can probably put one together.
And I'll make Grandma's show called. I'll call Grandma when she turns 24. How many are gonna turn?
Who?
How cute.
I'll be 52 almost.
What?
Soon.
On 52, I'm gonna give Grandma a new name for our channel. I'm gonna name it Elephant Monkey's Creation.
Oh my goodness.
Elephant Creation.
So how many want this as a kit?
Me.
What?
My mom wouldn't want this kit.
Hmm?
My mom wouldn't want this kit.
And I'll see if I can put one together for y'all.
I think I just put my elbow on my thumb.
Okay, I need a piece of mesh.
2 more pieces.
Uno, dos,
Tres, cuatro.
cinco.
Uno, tres, cinco.
No, uno, dos, tres.
Uno, tres, tres.
Cuatro, cinco, seis.
Cuatro, cinco, seis.
7, 8, 9.
5, 8, 9,
10.
10. I don't know how you say colors in Spanish.
Okay.
Rolo,
Rojo is red.
violet.
I don't know violet.
Violet's a purple.
White is blanco.
Violet's like a kind of blue and purple color.
Yeah.
Blue and purple.
Okay, last one, y'all.
Last one.
And we're gonna see
If it looks good.
if it looks good.
And if I'm gonna make some paint, and I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna paint on myself. I'm gonna have my own YouTube channel. You're gonna have your own grown-up channel.
Oh.
And I'm gonna make.
All right,
And I'm
so.
gonna paint Black Widow.
Okay, Grandma's talking. Okay. So this is gonna go right there in the middle. What do y'all think?
Aha! Good.
So
It's like a bow tie.
I've already put the cable mount in there.
People mount.
We'll slide that through. Now we're gonna find the top. Y'all know that is always, I always forget about where my top is. So we're gonna go right here in the middle.
Here's your top. Here's your top.
And let's see if we can feed this through. Just
I found
like
the top.
this.
This is not for Halloween. It's Christmas. American Christmas Halloweeners. And
All right, hold on. Let's try this another way.
Valentine's.
Let's try it this way because my zip tie is just not quite long enough. So let's see if we can do it from underneath.
I kicked my.
I know that's because you're playing around when you shouldn't be, right?
I got out the.
All right, let's see if we can do it this way. Y'all, I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner.
Don't take a pipe cleaner.
We're just going to make it really easy, y'all.
Yeah, I don't like pipe cleaners. Because they used to be my friend, but now they just friend.
All right.
This one I picked.
That's just so much easier. Unless you have a longer pipe cleaner, then go for it. Yeah, you could. You could put two together.
Yay, we're done.
You did an awesome job. Look what he did, y'all.
Yay.
You're going to hold it up. There you go. Let's see if we can move it back and see all of it. Ah! This is a zip tie gun.
Zip tie what?
Zip tie gun.
I'm gonna get out.
You're getting out of here. You're done already?
No. I'm gonna stay for a little bit longer.
Right.
Look, I was getting out.
So yes, you're going to get some frays, but we'll just go through and we will cut those off. And once you stop messing with it, then you won't keep fraying. So don't worry about the frays, y'all. Just cut them off.
Yeah.
Just cut them off. All right. Anybody have any questions?
I have a question.
You do? What's your question, sir?
Is ketchup really a vegetable?
Is ketchup really a vegetable? Who wants to answer Monkey's question? Anybody? Is ketchup really a vegetable is what he wants to know, y'all.
Tomato is a vegetable.
Thanks.
What did they say?
They love your wreath.
It's not my wreath, it's your wreath.
Well, you helped me.
I know that.
Dana Down says no. Ketchup is not a vegetable.
What did I say? Tomatoes are a vegetable.
Huh?
Tomatoes are a vegetable.
No.
I have another question.
Okay, we got one more question, y'all. What's your other question?
My question is, we make a Bulbasaur wreath tomorrow.
A Bulbasaur wreath? What's that?
It's Bulbasaur.
Well, you have school tomorrow.
You make it.
I don't know what a Bulbasaur wreath is, y'all. Who is that?
It's a Pokemon. It's a Pokemon.
They're all saying tomatoes are a fruit, not a vegetable.
They're not a food.
They are a fruit.
I only tasted a vegetable. I've only tasted a pickle once. See ya.
All right. It's a condiment. There you go. Oh, Annette says it's a vegetable in the same way Grandma is still 24. Woohoo!
It's a vegetable?
It is now.
It's not a vegetable.
No, it's not.
It's a food.
All right. Thank you very much.
Bye.
You going to tell everybody bye, or are you just going to leave your show?
Bye-bye.
They can't see you.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. See you next time.
See you next time. On the back of
Get out of here. All right, y'all. So that's it. 10 by 10. If you want this, I'll see if I can get some kits together. Now these, if you have an at-home store by you, that's where I got these. So you can get them, go grab them from there, y'all. But I'll see if I can put some kits together for those of y'all that don't have an at-home store with you or by you. I'll see if I can get those listed. I may go. It won't be today. It'll probably be tomorrow. So that's it. I am out of here. I just had to do what I promised with Monkey because he made me promise after I got back that we would go live and make a wreath. So promise fulfilled. All right, I am out of here. Y'all have a great day and I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.